Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, permissions, an account, and the target device in pairing or hotspot mode. Open Tether and sign in. The app needs verified credentials to sync settings. Once signed in, tap Add Device and allow Bluetooth and location prompts so the app can discover hardware. Make sure the target device's hotspot or pairing mode is visible. Without visibility, the scan returns nothing. This first step puts you in control and prepares the app to establish a secure connection. Now pair and configure. Select the discovered device and confirm the PIN or code displayed on both your phone and the hardware to prevent rogue connections. Once paired, pick the connection mode: Wi-Fi hotspot for speed, USB for stability, or Bluetooth for low power, and set it as default if desired. Next, configure data caps and priority apps so you avoid unexpected overages. You can also enable automatic reconnection to restore service after drops. These choices optimize performance and control how the tether behaves. To finish, verify the link with a speed and stability test, and then save the device profile for one-tap future connections. Make sure you monitor data usage and battery drain. Enable the app's power-saving options or schedule off hours to conserve energy. If something goes wrong, first toggle airplane mode or reset the network on both devices, then reauthorize permissions. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Tether to clear corrupted settings. This final check ensures reliable ongoing tethering and quick recovery from common faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.